In this movie, we'll cover the final way in which consonant sounds are differentiated in English. After all of the detail in describing place and manner, you'll be glad to know that this category is quite simple. Voicing comes in only two flavors, voiced and voiceless, which is sometimes also called unvoiced. To hear the difference, say the sound s and hold it out for a long time, like this. S. Notice how it sounds kind of whispered? This is characteristic of a voiceless sound. Now, contrast this with the sound z. Notice how this sound is much louder and that there's a buzzing quality to the sound? This buzzing quality is called voicing, and a sound that uses voicing is called a voiced sound. The difference physiologically is what your vocal folds are doing. If your vocal folds are open, then air passes through them unobstructed, and it'll continue up your trachea, then through your oral cavity toward the outside. Crucially, the air will not make your vocal cords vibrate, and if your vocal cords don't vibrate, then the sound you produced is not voiced. If your vocal folds are together at the beginning of a sound, though, then the air will have to push through the vocal folds in order to move upward to help articulate a sound. When air pushes through the closed vocal folds, it makes the vocal folds start to vibrate. That vibration is called voicing, and it's exactly what gives each person their characteristic sound. That is their voice. And their voice is used for every single voice sound that they produce. It's the vibration of the vocal folds that creates the buzzing quality of the sound when you say zzz. Now, another way to experience this is to put your fingers on your throat about halfway down, right near where your larynx is, and then say the same two sounds, s, then zzz. Your fingers should feel vibration when you say zzz, but they should feel nothing when you say s. Ladefoged recommends going back and forth in order to feel how the voicing changes. This is a good exercise to do. Given that there are only two possibilities for voicing, you might expect that some sounds will come in pairs, one of which is voiced and the other of which is voiceless, and you'd be right. The English consonant system has many voiced-voiceless pairs. Some examples include the one we've already discussed, s and z, and also p and b, t and d, f and v, and several others. Now, in the next movie, we're going to put together all of these characteristics of consonant sounds that we've discussed, place, manner, and voicing, into one handy chart, and it's a chart that you'll want to memorize.